As with series, when you work with data frames, it's important to be aware of when you're copying data and when you're referencing data. In this video, we'll see examples of both. To start, we'll make a simple data frame called df. Now let's create a variable v1 and set it equal to the series extracted from column X of df. If we modify v1, notice that df also gets modified. However, if we create another variable, v2, and we set it equal to column y plus 1, then if we modify v2, this time df doesn't change. Now let's set v1 equal to the first two rows of df using iloc with a list of indices. And let's set v2 equal to the first two rows of df using iloc with slicing. If we modify v1, Pandas throws up a warning telling us that we're modifying a copy of a slice of df. And indeed, when we inspect df after modifying v1, we see that it's unchanged because v1 really was a copy. On the other hand, if we modify v2, df also changes, which means v2 is just a view or reference of df. In other words, v2 is literally just pointing to df's data in memory. This example is particularly interesting because we get the same warning saying that we're modifying a copy of a slice from a data frame, but that's actually incorrect. In this case, v2 is a view, not a copy. Kind of annoyingly, this warning is known for throwing up false positives. Now, this behavior of assigning a view of df that has direct access to df's underlying data is actually pretty cool and can be handy in some scenarios. However, if it's not what you intended, it can cause all sorts of trouble, since sometimes you'll be modifying a view and not realize that you're also modifying the original data frame. To avoid this behavior, use DataFrame.copy method to explicitly copy the underlying data, for example, like this.